name is Shaheer and welcome back to my sister's channel. Today I will show you how to make a Lego book shelf. So let's get started. Then we need all of these things, okay? Then let's get started. First we need like these orange ones. Have to put it together. Then put this one on those, and then you need like these ones. You have to put these on top. You need the yellow one again. Another yellow one. And then you need the last thing, the blue ones. If you like it, please subscribe to my sister's channel and please click the great button, and if you want to make it, you have to say to your mother or your dad, okay? So bye bye.